Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming keyboards with a close look at the Redragon K673 PRO 75% wireless gasket RGB gaming keyboard. Let's see if this compact powerhouse lives up to the hype. The Redragon K673 PRO boasts an impressive array of features designed to elevate your gaming experience. With its 75% compact design, this keyboard offers the perfect balance between functionality and space saving. But that's just the beginning. One standout feature of the K673 PRO is its innovative gasket-mounted switches, which provide a quieter and more responsive typing experience. Say goodbye to distracting clacks and hello to smooth, precise keystrokes. But wait, there's more. This keyboard offers not one, not two, but three modes of connectivity. Whether you prefer a wired connection via USB-C, Bluetooth 3, 0.5.0, or 2.4 GHz wireless, the K673 PRO has you covered. Customization is key when it comes to gaming peripherals, and the K673 PRO doesn't disappoint. With fully customizable RGB lighting and hot swappable switches, you can tailor this keyboard to suit your unique style and preferences. Now, let's talk durability. Constructed from high-quality materials and weighing in at just under 3 pounds. The K673 PRO feels solid and sturdy, ready to withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. But what do gamers think of the K673 PRO? We scoured the web for user reviews, and the consensus is clear: this keyboard delivers on its promises. Users praise its responsive keys, customizable lighting, and ergonomic design. Wireless gasket RGB gaming keyboard worth the investment? In our opinion, absolutely. With its impressive features, customizable options, and positive user reviews, it's a standout choice for any gamer looking to level up their setup. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest gaming gear. Until next time, happy gaming!